$108,000 is exactly the money that this person earns from his YouTube channel in 1 month. As you can see, this channel has more than 1 million views most days. Before we go, subscribe to the channel for training so that you can watch our other videos later. We have an online earning training channel. I am here to teach you how to copy and paste these videos step by step without taking any copyright and without even bothering to take a video or edit a video. Well, I searched here on YouTube for #shorts, and as you can see, a lot of short videos have been uploaded by people and most of them get a lot of views. Because the feature of short videos is that they get a lot of views, and because of getting a lot of views, it is natural to subscribe easily. You complete 1000 taro. As you know, the new condition for making money from YouTube is 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time of long videos or 10 million views of short videos. From now on, you can earn from short videos as well as long videos. Well, what I do is I search #short plus ASMR sends, and the videos it brings me are all short videos with ASMR sound, which you can see have very high views. One of the channels that only makes short videos in this topic and has an income of $1.3 million per year is the Santagas channel. If you take a look at his channel, you will see that his short videos get a lot of views. To determine the channel's income, we go to the Social Blade website and search for the channel's name. You can see that all the income information of this channel is shown here. Well, to start such a channel, we first go to TikTok and search Kinetic Sonda. We are going to find the best meme videos to go viral. Well, the first video he showed got 3.8 million views, so it must be a good video and has the ability to go viral. We click on the video. Well, to download this video, click on the button next to the video and select the copy link option. Now we need a site that will download this video for us and remove this TikTok logo for us. Because if we upload the video to YouTube with this logo, we will get a copyright strike and we will not be able to continue our work. Well, come to Snaptic site and paste the video link here. This site downloads TikTok videos for us without the TikTok logo. Well, now download the video and come to the Canva site to make some changes. Search in the Canva site, select mobile video and blank page. Well, when we enter the edit page, upload the video from the upload section in the site and enter a square from this section into the edit space. Now bring this square to a part that has empty space and does not spoil our movie. It is better to bring it to the top of the page. Now go to the text section and select a text with your favorite font. Rate this meme. Now make it black and place it on the space we created. Well, now we will make another square and this time we will bring it to the bottom of the video. We create another text and write comment 0 to 10. This makes every person who watches the video decide to comment on this meme and comment the desired number. When that person is commenting on the video is playing and repeating in the background. This makes YouTube's algorithm tell itself that this person has watched the video several times, so it must be a good video and starts making your video viral. This is how you get good views of the video. After doing these things, click on the download section and download your video. Now it's time to upload the video. Before doing this, enter a YouTube channel and choose a name for it and start uploading videos. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to know about new videos later.